Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express.
Sicily is unexplored in India. The Sicilian food, we had not experienced Sicilian flavors and food, so we thought why not try a different kind of Italian food.
My name is Agostino D'Angelo. I'm coming from Sicily. I'm here in Vetro restaurant to do a special Sicilian festival food. I made the risotto with porcini because actually we're in autumn they give us a really nice fungi porcini, mushroom porcini.